Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest save failed. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest save failed, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page here, you will enter to this window of Pinterest and you will enter. Then here in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here in this window you will click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.